going, everybody? Today I got the Storm 450 Pro Carbon Fiber Edition from leadershobby.com. This is a kit helicopter, meaning that it does not come with any of its electronics, just the main body of the helicopter, blades and all. I did do a little bit of unpacking to make the video a little bit more convenient. This was nicely packed in bubble wrap. It's a nice fiberglass canopy, very nicely painted. It's got some metal flake in it. It'll look real nice under the sun, I'm sure. And we got foam blade holders here, and a few of your smaller screws and some zip ties and stuff that I'm sure is going to make the assembly nice. Your gyro tapes in here, which was nice of them to send. We got our little carbon fiber tail blades. We got a very nice carbon fiber fuselage. And in here it's got all the little parts and stuff for assembling your head and attaching your head to it. Seems very strong, very durable. Definitely lasts through them beginner crashes. Got some carbon fiber blades here. Aluminum tail boom and struts and the torque bar for running the tail section. It's all right here. Seems all very nicely crafted. Looks like the metal's very nicely machined. Ooh, our CNC head. This helicopter does come with the CNC upgrade automatically, so the top of the helicopter here is all CNC and aluminum. Parts throughout the rest of the head, I believe, are plastic. They might be aluminum as well, but if they do not have a real aluminum-like finish on them. Could be wrong about that, but this is supposed to be the CNC head, so it wouldn't surprise me if it was all CNC. Also, we have our paddles here. We got tail gears and the blade holders for the tail blades. This connects right onto the tail boom, and the stabilizer bars, tail section. It's all right in there. Have aluminum landing gear and the plastic struts for it. Looks like that's going to be easy to slide together and get that all together. So far I'm really excited. I think this kit is going to be a lot of fun to put together. It doesn't look too complex, so it might be very good for the beginner who wants to assemble their first helicopter. And at the price of $49, I think it's a pretty nicely priced helicopter to get started out on. If you want to go with your generic electronics, you can get into a helicopter like this for, you know, as cheap as like $120, $130. Maybe a little bit more or less depending on where you shop. Leaders Hobby has everything also available if you'd like to get the rest of the parts. Alright, the electronics that I ordered, I got the nice 450 Aeolian motor, brushless motor. Very nicely crafted, it looks like. Got 4 servos. And they got 2200 milliamp, 11.1 volt battery. Our 35 SW speed control. And our G103 gyro, also all from leadershobby.com. I plan on getting this all put together and get the build video done for you, and hopefully soon you'll be seeing me flying this puppy. It should be lots of fun.